up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I filmed, but here I am. I'm going to try to remove the faded red green. It's like teal and like a light burgundy now. I'm going to be using the Strawberry Leopard Teal the Show, which is a new color from them that I'm really excited to try. Again, I'm just going to be doing the tips of my hair and yeah. First, I'm going to try to remove the previous color. Obviously, I wouldn't be too worried about these, but all the red bits are still pretty red to put a teal over, so I'm going to be trying a new color remover as well, which will be the Strawberry Leopard color remover. I'm going to be using this with dander shampoo and probably a little bit of water, and just seeing how it goes. If I can get this teal to just like a pretty faded color, I think it would be okay to put the teal over because green cancels out red, pink. I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed up and put on my hair. Okay, I've got it applied, and I could be wrong. It's kind of hard to tell under the color of like the product, you know, but I think it's working already. So, I mean, the pieces look blonde already, but hopefully that's accurate. I'm going to give it at least 30 minutes. I don't think I'm going to leave it on much longer than that just because it seems like it's working already. The colors were already pretty faded. So I'm going to give it 30 minutes, wash in dander shampoo and hot water, and hopefully get it at least faded enough to put the teal over and have good coverage. So we will see. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and this is how it's looking. It did a really good job on the green. There is still a bit of the pink red, but I think it will cover okay. The green and the teal should cancel out that well enough, I hope. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and start applying Teal the Show. Alright, I've got it all put in. I did go ahead and put foils all around just because I can tell this is going to stain very badly. I'll see you after I've washed this out. Alright, here's the finished look, and I am really happy with how it came out. It did cover the red just fine. Let me show you the back. When I rinsed my hair, it was clear from the get-go. You know how like usually you rinse your hair and you rinse the colors out and they say like rinse until clear? It was just clear. There was no color runoff, which means I'm guessing that this is going to last a while, which honestly I'm good with. I really love this color. I think it looks really good with my dark hair, and yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.